Welcome back, coders. In our last session, we learned how to format text using headings and paragraphs. But what if you have a series of items like ingredients for a recipe or a steps in a process? You don't want to use the paragraph for that. Today, we are diving into HTML list, the perfect tool for organizing sequential or itemized data cleanly and efficiently. Then now jump to the different type of list we have in HTML. First type is unordered list. So an order list created using the UL tag. An order means the order of the item does not matter. Think of a shopping list or a list of features. Inside the UL tag, every single item gets its own item tag or li. Now let's talk about the second type, which is ordered list. So order list is basically denoted by the OL tag. Ordered means the sequence of the item does matter. This is for the ranking, step-by-step instruction, or anything that must be followed in a specific order. And now the last tag, but not the least, definition list. Fi- the definition list is basically denoted by the DL tag. This is a bit different. It's used to list terms and their corresponding descriptions or definition. It requires two internal tags. First, definition term (dt) for the name or title, then the definition description (dd) tag for the explanation. Here's a quick summary of when to use each. UL tag, shopping list, menu, features, blogging categories. Basically, when the order of items does not matter. But OL, order list, recipes, steps in a tutorial, top 10 list, rankings, where the order of item matters. And DL, definition list, glories, metadata, and facts, etc. And that's your complete guide to HTML list. You now have the tools to keep data on your web page. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. In the next video, we will cover how to add links so you can connect your page together. Until then, keep learning and keep coding. I'll see you in the next one.